Hello, my name is Eva Yai. I'm a co-founder and executive director at GoGirls ICT initiative.
Hey, I'm Yine Kinyika, the co-founder and mentorship director at GoGirls ICT initiative.
One fun fact about me is that I'm a writer and I love to write poetry. Secretly, of course.
Something that you don't know about me, I love attending weddings, to celebrate life, to meet new people, to socialize. And the icing on the cake is, I love seeing the different cultures come together.
What inspired us to come up with GoGirls ICT initiative is the absence of female role models in the ecosystem of South Sudan. So by the time we came in 10 years ago, it was really very hard to find women who would inspire girls and women to take up science-related subjects. So GoGirls ICT was created as a platform in the beginning so that it would inspire the next generation of women in tech and girls in tech.
Specifically in 2015, while serving as the head department of computer science and information technology at the University of Juba, I was invited to attend the inaugural of the first ever Girls in ICT event by the National Communications Authority, South Sudan's ICT and Telecom regulator, in 2015. And the main objective of that event was to bring university students and secondary school students into the same room to come and learn from each other about what ICTs are all about. So during that event, there was an opportunity for the secondary school girls to speak about ICT, and unfortunately none said they didn't understand what ICT was. And then there was also another opportunity for the university girls to talk about computer science or information technology, which they were doing then, because I think 4 years after independence, it was only University of Juba that actually had computer science and information technology as courses then. But unfortunately, again, the girls at the university couldn't share about the experience, so I took the chance to share my personal experience as a computer science student to them, to encourage the girls at the university and also inspire the girls in secondary school to see why actually doing sciences in secondary school, subjects like math, like physics, how they are very important for courses like computer science or IT, and also for the girls at the university to find inspiration of why this course is very important. So that specific event happened, and when I came back with my colleague at the university, we sat down to really look deeper into the gaps, that the challenges these girls at the university were facing, and perhaps what we could do to encourage these girls to actually embrace the courses that we are doing. So during that particular exercise, we engaged with quite the number of girls to find out their challenges. We engaged with the dean then of the College of Computer Science and Information Technology to also hear his perspective. And then we decided to visit one of the nearby primary schools to also understand the enrollment and performance of girls in that school. So after looking into all that information that we got, we saw the need to actually start an initiative, and that led to the birth of GoGirls ICT initiative in 2015.
I'm very excited to have been part of this journey and of course continuing to be part of it, but I can't imagine that it has already been 10 years, and I hope you can follow us as we tell our story and tell you about where we've come from and where we are going when it comes to women in tech in South Sudan.
For me, 10 years of GoGirls means us reflecting on our challenges, reflecting on our achievements, reflecting on our failures, and also thinking of what next we are to do to inspire, to engage, to empower, to educate the next generation of South Sudanese women and girls to pick interest in STEM subjects, in STEM courses in South Sudan. Thank you.